Hello friends, welcome to my channel Methodology Maths by Pratik Grover. Our today's topic is algebraic identities. This topic is related to the 8th and 9th standard of our NCERT textbook. I will be covering for both the standards together. First we'll go through the 8th one and then the topic will expand towards the 9th standard. Both the standards will be covered equally with equal importance. But why do we need these identities? These identities makes us simple to calculate the things very quickly. If we know these identities, many calculations can be done orally or in the mind itself. We don't need to write anything on the paper. Thus, let us start with the topic of algebraic identities. In 8th standard textbook there are 4 identities and in 9th standard textbook there are 8 identities. But I will not consider only 8 identities in 9th standard. Actually, if we go and see, there are 10 identities in the 9th standard textbook. So we will be covering all those 10 identities. So the first 4 identities which are there in 8th standard as well as 9th standard, let us start with them. Now the alphabets, the variables which we use may differ. In some books it would be A and B, and in some books it would be X and Y. For me, more convenient is X and Y. So my first identity is X plus Y the whole square. X plus Y the whole square means there are 2 terms. The first term and the second terms getting whole squared. First they are added and then they are whole square. So how do we write the right hand side of this identities? So for explanation, if at any point you forget what the identity is, just go through this step and you will get the answer. Multiply X plus Y with X plus Y. If you multiply X plus Y with X plus Y, that means you are doing X plus Y whole square. So the first term of the first bracket with the second term of the second bracket. So again, first term of the second bracket, that is X square. X into X is X square. First term of the first bracket with the first term of the second bracket. See, X plus Y whole square means you have to multiply X plus Y 2 times. So I am multiplying them and I will be getting an answer which will be written over here. So X into X is X square. X into X, Y is XY. First term with the second term now, Y into X, I will write XY. Y into S is YX or XY, I am writing XY. Y into Y is Y square. Now as you can see, X square is the only term, there is no like term. But this XY plus XY, there are 2 XY, so I will write 2 XY. And there is no like term for the Y square, so only Y square. So what is my final answer? My final answer is the square of the first term, X square, plus 2 times multiply the first term and second term together, plus square of the second term. मतलब ये सब आपको वापस करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आपको कोई भी 2 टर्म्स का होल स्क्वायर दिया हो तो पहले टर्म का स्क्वायर कीजिए, फिर फर्स्ट और सेकेंड टर्म दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके उनको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए और फिर सेकेंड टर्म को स्क्वायर कीजिए. यू विल गेट द आंसर ऑफ दिस X plus Y whole square. My second identity, that is X minus Y the whole square. What is X minus Y the whole square? For explanation, I will do X minus Y into X minus Y. I will do X minus Y into X minus Y. First term with the first term, X into X, that is X square. First term to the second term. Now here it is positive X, here it is negative Y. So minus XY. Positive into negative is negative. Again, minus Y into positive X will be minus XY. Negative Y into negative Y will be positive Y square. Negative into negative positive and Y into Y is Y square. X square is the only term. There is no like term. But minus XY, both are minus. So we will add them and keep a negative sign ahead, that is minus 2xy plus y square plus y square. Now, if you write the answer would be x square, means the square of the first term, minus 2 multiplied by first term into second term, plus square of the second term. That means either it is x plus y whole square or x minus y whole square. See, when you will practice the sums, then also I'll going to explain you that which identities you have to apply. This is just how the identities came, the explanation for those identities. So pay very attention to these. X minus y or x plus y. In both the matters, the square terms are always positive. X square and y square, in both the answers are positive. But only the middle term. In one, the middle term is minus. In the other, the middle term is, in the first, the middle term is positive. In the second, the middle term is negative. This follows from the sign in between the two terms. These are my two identities. Now let us proceed towards the third identity. My third identity is x plus y multiplied by x minus y. If there are two terms, there are two brackets. In both the brackets, there are two terms. Both the terms are same. The first term of both the brackets is same and the second term of both the brackets is same. But the difference is the sign. And these two brackets are getting multiplied. So let us see what will happen. The first term will get multiplied by first term. That is x into x is x square. The first term will get multiplied with the second term. X into minus y will be minus xy. Y and x both are positive and they are getting multiplied. So plus xy. Y, this positive y into negative y. That is minus y square. This would be x square. This minus xy and plus xy will get minus y square. So, if there are two brackets, in both the brackets, if the first term and the second term are same, the only difference is a sign in between them and they are getting multiplied, then it is the square of the first term minus the square of the second term, that is x square minus y square. So, till now we have learned if it is two terms x plus y whole square, then you have to write first term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. If it is x minus y whole square, that is two terms are subtracting and it's a whole square. It is first term square minus 2 times the first term into second term plus second term square. Now there are two brackets, the third type, there are two brackets where both the brackets have the same terms, like 5 plus 7 and 5 minus 7. In that way, it will be more convenient. 7 plus 5, 7 minus 5. So both the brackets have same terms, but the only difference is plus and minus in between them. Then square the first term and subtract the second square of the second term from it. Third identity. Now let us proceed towards fourth identity. What if there are two brackets, x plus a, x plus b? There are two brackets. Both the bracket, the first term is same, but the second term is different. In both the brackets, the first term is same, but the second term in both the brackets is different. Let us multiply. First term with the first term, that is x into s is x square. First term with the second term, that is bx. Second term with the first term, that is ax. And second term with the second term, that is ab. If you can see, x square is the only term, so it will remain x square. Here you can see in these two terms, these two terms are like terms, and these two like terms, x is common. If x is common, plus if I'm taking x common, what would remain in the bracket? 1b and 1a, and I'm writing a plus b as per my convenience. You may write a plus b or b plus a, there's no difference, plus ab. This is the final answer. So what we got, if there are two brackets, अगर दो ब्रैकेट हैं, दोनों ब्रैकेट में पहली टर्म सेम है बट दोनों ब्रैकेट्स की सेकेंड टर्म डिफरेंट है, देन वी विल स्क्वायर द जो सेम टर्म है उसका स्क्वायर करेंगे एक्स स्क्वायर, प्लस जो दोनों ब्रैकेट्स की अलग टर्म है उनको ऐड करेंगे a प्लस बी, जो दोनों ब्रैकेट्स की अलग टर्म है, डिफरेंट टर्म है, उनको ऐड करेंगे ए प्लस बी, और ऐड करने के बाद उनको x से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, मतलब फर्स्ट टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, प्लस दोनों जो डिफरेंट टर्म्स है उनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस ए प्लस बी एक्स प्लस ए बी. दिस इज द फोर्थ आइडेंटिटी. In 8th standard, this is the last identity. So if you are from the 8th standard, it's my request, you can leave the video right now. Just go through these 4 videos, 4 identities again if you want to. But now from next identity, it will be proceeding towards the 9th standard. Okay. 5th identity. Now in 5th identity, there would be 3 terms like x plus y plus z the whole square. So if now 3 terms are getting added in the bracket and they are getting squared, so I will do x plus y plus z multiplied by x plus y plus z. First term with the first term, that is x square. First term with the second term, that is xy. First term in the third term, that is xz. Second term with the first term, that is xy. Second term with the second term, that is y square. Plus second term with the third term, that is yz. Third term with the first term, that is xz. Third term with the second term, that is yz. Third term with the third term, that is z square. If you can see that x square plus y square plus z square, these 3 were unlike terms. They were all unlike terms, so I have written that as it is. Now if you focus xy and xy, there are 2 xy. Yz and yz, there are 2 yz. And xz and xz, there are 2 xz. So 2 xy, 2 yz, 2 zx. So this is the final answer to identities: x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So if I'll understand this, if there are 3 terms given, x plus y plus z whole square, so square the first term plus square the second term plus square the third term plus multiply first and second term and multiply it with 2 plus multiply the second and third term and multiply with 2 plus multiply the third and the first term and multiply with 2. It's my habit to write the multiplication of variables in ascending order. I will never write xz as zx because it will give me a benefit while adding the like terms. I'll not get confused. So make it a habit to write the multiplication of variables always in ascending order. That not ascending, that alphabetical order. Sorry to use the word ascending. Alphabetical order means xz should be written not zx. If you write zx, it's not wrong, but this will help you to identify the like terms easily. One more thing, in these 3 terms, if any one term becomes negative, then suppose there is x plus y minus z the whole square. In that situation, these squares, these perfect square will never convert to negative. They will always remain positive. If you see, multiplying with negative to negative will convert to positive. So these square term will always remain positive. So where would that negative sign reflect? As I have told that third term is negative. Just see where is the third term in the last 3 terms. Means where is there a z? Z is in the second last and the last term. So both the terms will become negative. Both the terms, second last term and the last term, will become negative if the third term is negative. What if second term is negative? If the second term is negative and first and third term are positive, these 3 will remain positive. Where the second term is coming, that is first and the second term. Fourth and the fifth term. This fourth and fifth term will become negative and this will remain positive. What if first term is negative and other 2 are positive? See where x is coming. That is first and third term. These fourth and sixth term, they will become negative. This one will become positive. What if 2 terms are negative? Suppose y and z both are negative. If y and z are negative, understand this is very properly. If y and z two terms are negative, only x is positive, keep the subtraction sign in ahead of that term which is positive. I'll explain it again. Out of these three terms, if two are negative, see, if one is negative, keep the negative sign in front of that term where that variable is coming. y तो y के सामने नेगेटिव रख दो, z तो z के सामने नेगेटिव, पहली तीन तो पक्का पॉजिटिव रहेंगी. बट अगर दो टर्म नेगेटिव है, इफ टू टर्म्स आर नेगेटिव, y and z are negative, then keep the sign of negative sign where x is there. How? See, x and y, they will multiply, it will become negative because y was negative. Y and z, if they multiply, they will become positive because both were negative. And x and z will again become negative because z was negative. So the terms which will having x will become negative and the terms which will having only yz will become positive. So if two terms are negative, focus on that term which is not negative, keep a sign ahead of that term of minus sign. I hope you understood this identity. Let us proceed toward the next identity. The sixth identity, now proceed towards the cube of the terms. So suppose there is x plus y the whole cube. Two terms are adding and whole cube is happening to it. So this will be, see, x plus y multiplied by x plus y multiplied by x plus y. This is meant by whole cube. Now I will multiply the first two brackets and I know that if I multiply these two brackets, I'll get this identity. So I'm directly writing it x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is the multiplication of first two brackets multiplied by x plus y multiplied by x plus y. How could I got this? Because I knew that x plus y into x plus y is this only from my first identity. Now I'll multiply this with this. See, you can multiply, you can use this first term with the whole bracket, second term with the whole bracket and third term with the whole bracket. Or similarly, you can use this first term with the whole bracket and this second term with the whole bracket. So focus what I'm doing. I'm doing multiplying this x with the first term. This x into first term is x cube. X into second term, that is 2x square y. X into third term, that is x y square. Then y into first term, that is plus x square y, plus y into 2xy, that is 2xy square, plus y square into y, that is y cube. This x cube and y cube, as you can see, there are unlike terms. So x cube plus y cube will remain as it is. This 2xy, x square y and x square y, they both are like terms. 2x square y and x square y will become 3x square y plus xy square and 2xy square will become 3xy square. This is one of the form. It can also be converted to a form in which first two terms remain as it is, x cube plus y cube. But as you can see, in these two terms something is common. 3xy is common and in the bracket will remain x plus y. In the bracket will remain. So you can opt for this or this, any one of the identity form which you can which you feel so that which is more convenient to you. I am writing both of them over here. So if x plus y means two terms are adding and whole cube is given, cube the first term plus cube the second term plus 3 multiplied by square of the first term into second term. पहली टर्म का स्क्वायर करो, उसको सेकेंड टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई करो और उसको फिर 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, प्लस 3 इंटू एक्स वाई स्क्वायर. मतलब सेकेंड टर्म को स्क्वायर करो, स्क्वायर करने के बाद फर्स्ट टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई करो और फिर 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. दिस इज योर आइडेंटिटी. You can use this also or this one also. Students feel either of them to be more convenient. You can use anyone, but my opinion is to use this one, which I've written here. Seventh identity, x minus y the whole cube. X minus y the whole cube, that is x minus y into x minus y into x minus y. 3x minus y are getting multiplied, that is made by x minus y whole cube. Now we know that x minus y whole square is x square minus 2xy plus y square. So for the first two terms, I am substituting that only. X square minus 2xy plus y square multiplied by x minus y. This x will get multiplied with the whole bracket. X multiplied by x square will be x cube. X multiplied minus 2xy will be minus 2x square y. X multiplied by y square is x y square. Now this is minus y. Be careful. This minus y will get multiplied and the sign of all the terms will become changed. Minus y into x square is minus x square y. Minus y into minus 2x, that is plus 2xy square. Minus y into y square minus y cube. So x cube minus y cube are the unlike terms. I am written as it is. Minus 2x square y minus x square y. Both are negative. They are like terms. Both are negative. So minus 3x square y. Xy square and 2xy square. So plus 3xy square. This is one of the form. You can also write in the form of x cube minus y cube. If you take minus 3xy common, in the bracket will be x minus y. So either of them you can opt for. So what is x minus y whole cube? Cube of the first term minus cube of the second term minus 3 multiplied by square of the first term into second term. पहली टर्म को स्क्वायर करो, उसको सेकेंड टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई करो और इंटू 3 कर दो और आगे माइनस रहेगा. सिर्फ लास्ट टर्म में पॉजिटिव आएगा, बाकी सब नेगेटिव है. ध्यान से देखिए, मतलब पहली टर्म पॉजिटिव और लास्ट टर्म पॉजिटिव, बीच की दोनों नेगेटिव. y का स्क्वायर करो, उसको x से मल्टीप्लाई करो और फिर 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. 3xy square. 3xy square. These are the seven. This was the seventh identity. Let us proceed towards my eighth identity of the textbook. A little tricky one. Eighth identity. In this identity, I have to first write whole identity, then only I may explain you. Actually, the RHS which is given to us in this identity have to be solved first. The RHS given is x plus y plus z multiplied by x plus y. This is not square, this is only x. I'm writing it, rewriting again. X plus y plus z multiplied by x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is actually the RHS of that identity. First understand the identity, then we'll write in this form. Multiply this bracket with this bracket. What is this bracket? X plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. First term with the first term. X into x square will be x cube. X into y square will be plus xy square. X into z square will be xz square. X into minus xy, that is minus x square y. X into minus yz, that is minus xyz. X into minus z will be minus zx square. Y into x square, that is plus x square y. Y into y square will be plus y cube. Y into z square will be yz square. Y into minus xy will be minus xy square. Y into minus yz is minus y square z. And y into minus zx will be minus xy z. Z into x square plus x square z. Z into y square plus y square z. Z into z square plus z cube. Z into minus xy, so minus xyz. Z into minus yz, that is minus yz square. Z into minus zx, that is minus z square x. You multiply all the terms of both the brackets. Now this x cube will remain as it is. There is no like term. I am taking this. I have taken plus y cube is also unlike term. And plus z cube is also unlike term. Now see. This is plus x square y. This is plus xy square. This is minus xy square. This will get cancelled. no term will remain. Plus xz square minus z square x. This plus z x xz square minus z square x will cancel. They are like terms. Minus x square y plus x square y. These two terms will get cancelled. Remain this as it is, minus xyz. Okay, minus xyz, there is one term. Minus xyz, minus xyz. There are 3 times minus xyz. So minus 3xyz. Minus 3xyz. Minus zx square plus x square z. This will get cancelled. Yz square minus y square minus y z square minus y square z plus y square z. Each and every term will get cancelled. Only this will remain, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So if I'll write in the proper form, I will get, so we will get x cube plus y cube plus z cube, means there are 3 terms, the cube of these 3 terms minus 3 multiplied by first term, second term and third term. There are cube of 3 terms, x cube plus y cube plus z cube, perfect cubes, minus 3 into first term into second term, third term. This gives first term plus second term plus third term, x plus y plus z, multiplied by square of the first term plus square of the second term plus square of the third term, minus first term into second term minus second term into third term minus third term into first term. This is the complete identity for this form. You may ask, sir, what if there is negative sign ahead? If there is any change of sign, then the identity will not follow. The sign should remain like this only. The cubes should have positive, minus should over be here, 3 into first term into second third term. Then only you may proceed to get this answer. Or this may also possible, this may be given to you and this would be your answer. There is one more application that we will see when we will solve the exercise. For right now, just focus on these things. These identities are very important for examination point of view. Now my 9th and 10th identity, they are actually not the identity given in the textbook. They are given in the form of sums. Exercise 2.5, 9th and 10th sum. Exercise 2.5, 9th and 10th sum. They actually both are the identities, in which again RHS and LHS, I will be solving RHS to get LHS. So first of all, let me write what is RHS in those terms. But consider them to be identity only. X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. 2 terms adding. 2 terms are getting, these 2 brackets are getting multiplied. X plus y multiplied by x square minus xy plus y square. Please focus, there is no 2 over here. Don't consider this to be x minus y whole square. This is not x minus y whole square. First term with the first term, so it will be x cube. First term with the second term minus x square y. First term with the third term plus x y square. Y into x square, that is plus x square y. Y into minus xy, that is minus xy square. Y into y square, that is plus y cube. X cube, first term, there is no like term. Minus xy, x square y plus x square y, this will get cancelled. Plus xy square minus x square y square will get cancelled. The only term remaining is y cube. This is actually proof of 9th question in exercise 2.5 also, but this is also an identity. So what an identity is, if there is sum of the cubes, don't misinterpret with this identity. This is sum of the numbers and then whole cube. Here it is, first you have cubed individually and then you are adding. Here you are adding first and then cubing. Here it is, you are first cubing it and then adding. The answer would be sum of the 2 terms x plus y multiplied by square of the first term minus multiplication of both the terms plus square of the second term. So if there are two terms and cube, they are the perfect cubes and they are getting added. So किसके perfect cube है वो पता लगाओ पहले. Suppose यहाँ पे 8 plus 343 है, 8 2 का है और 343 7 का है. I'm just giving example. तो 2 plus 7 यहाँ करेंगे, multiplied by 2 square minus 2 into 7 plus 7 square. तो किसके perfect cubes है वो पहले निकालिए, उनको ऐड कीजिए, multiplied by first term का square minus first term into second term plus second term का square. This is the identity. Now the 10th identity is, उसका भी RHS. This is the 10th sum. X minus y multiplied by x square plus xy plus y square. This will be, if I solve first term with the first, that is x cube, first into second, that is plus x square y, first into last, that is plus xy square, minus y into this, the minus x square y, minus into minus, minus y into plus xy, that is minus xy square, and minus y into y square, that will be minus y cube. First term x cube as it is because there is no like term. X square y minus x square y cancel out. Xy square minus xy square cancel out. The only term remained is minus y cube. So this is the subtraction of two perfect cubes. So my identity is, what is my identity? Two cubes are there, x cube, perfect cube, x cube and minus y cube. This will give subtraction of the two terms x minus y multiplied by x square, addition of xy, that is product of the two terms, plus y square. Don't think that this should be perfect square. Don't write x plus y whole square over here. For x plus y whole square, this has to be 2xy. Okay, it is only xy over here. That is the main difference. तो जब x क्यूब प्लस y क्यूब था तो सेकेंड ब्रैकेट में देखिए एक्स वाई क्या क्या माइनस साइन था. जब x क्यूब माइनस वाई क्यूब था तो सेकेंड ब्रैकेट के बीच में जो टर्म थी वहां प्लस था. उल्टा, जहां पॉजिटिव था वहां नेगेटिव, जहां नेगेटिव था वहां पॉजिटिव. ये दोनों आइडेंटिटीज, प्लीज कंफ्यूज मत हो जाएगा. x प्लस वाई होल क्यूब और x माइनस वाई होल क्यूब अलग है. दिस इज x क्यूब प्लस वाई क्यूब एंड x क्यूब माइनस वाई क्यूब. उसमें पहले एडिशन है फिर क्यूब करना है, इसमें पहले क्यूब करना है फिर एडिशन है. ये डिफरेंस है, ये डिफरेंस समझ के चलिएगा. और इसका RHS ये है, उसका RHS अलग है. x प्लस वाई इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स वाई प्लस वाई स्क्वायर और x माइनस वाई इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स वाई प्लस वाई स्क्वायर. सो अंडरस्टैंड दिस आइडेंटिटीज, गो थ्रू दिस आइडेंटिटीज. रिगार्डिंग दिस आइडेंटिटी जो भी सम आएगा आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू हाउ टू अप्लाई दिस आइडेंटिटीज, बट यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड दिस आइडेंटिटीज एंड यू शुड नो किस आइडेंटिटी का क्या आंसर होता है. सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे किड्स. Meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.